Hi, my name is Anna Kinsey. Today I'm going to share about Young Living's Essential Reward Program so you can decide if it's a good fit for you as a busy mom on a budget. If you start with a premium starter kit, you'll have the best foundational products as well as the 24% discount on further purchases with no monthly requirement. The Essential Rewards program is Young Living's optional auto ship program. I started this way and I feel it is the best way to start with Young Living. You probably already know about our amazing essential oils. What you may not know is that we carry many other excellent products. If you purchase products that are labeled as safe and green from the store, you may find that they have chemicals in them and they are damaging to your family's health. It can be overwhelming to figure out how to ditch your old products and switch to personal care and cleaning products you know are free of harmful chemicals. Young Living can ease some of the stress of making this switch. You can trust that Young Living products are designed to contribute to your family's health. I also love that they are shipped to my door. I don't have to load up my kids in the car, go down to the personal care or cleaning aisles at my grocery store, which saves this busy mama time and stress. I'm going to explain how the monthly Essential Rewards program works. It can save you money and earn you free products. You can decide if it's right for you. Let me show you how approximately $50 a month will not be an additional cost to your family. Who wants to take on more bills? Not me. The average American household spends $119 on pharmaceutical drugs, $42 on cleaning products, and $32 on personal care products monthly. Here's a list of the products I don't buy at the store anymore. They come to my doorstep and I have peace of mind that they are toxin-free and benefiting my entire family. You get the idea. No hidden chemicals, just goodness that arrives each month on the doorstep. So now for the fun part, savings and free products. Here are the details of the Essential Rewards program. Customizable monthly wellness box of a minimum of 50 PV. PV stands for personal volume. Although there are a few exceptions, the products have point value that is equal to the dollar amount. Choose your shipping date. You can either receive the same products you got last month, or you can go in, change your order, and receive new products. You get discounted shipping rates. This is a big savings with the heavier products such as the Ninja Red. You earn 10 to 25% back in rewards points on each order. By your fourth month, you're up to 20% of your order back in rewards points. To redeem accumulated rewards points, you place a separate order, and when you check out, just pay with your points. This perk is my personal favorite, and it means big savings, and it's the way I get free oils and Young Living products. Free to join, free to cancel. You don't have to worry about being locked in or stuck or charged for canceling. You only need 50 PV in order to earn points and free products. But for easy math, here is an awesome example of the total savings you would earn in a year if you place a monthly order of 100 PV monthly. 16 free oils. I like to take advantage of Young Living's monthly promotions for placing a sizable order. What some people don't realize is that in addition to this, you can also earn a free oil monthly at the 100 PV level, only when you're on the Essential Rewards program. New members will receive oils at months 3, 6, and 9, and 12 as well, for a total of 16 free oils for your first year, and on top of that, at least 210 rewards points you can redeem. Time for me to spoil myself with some fun Savvy Minerals makeup or a luxurious mask. If you're sharing Young Living with others, you will earn all the commissions possible when you're at the 100 PV level. So while it could seem that you're spending more than you would at the grocery store, when I take a look at the facts, it more than evens out for me. It ends up saving me money. Most importantly, I have peace of mind knowing I'm using products that are good for my family's health. And it's not just me, my husband and kids love Young Living's products. To join Essential Rewards, it is as simple as logging into your virtual office and adding Essential Rewards to your account. If you have more questions or you need help with the process, you can reach out to the person who first introduced you to Young Living or call our friendly customer service. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook at Anna Kinsey or on Instagram, Anna Kinsey Euler.